How often do you get a chance to spray a crazy HyperShift pearl over a car where basically every panel is a different color? Not that often, and we're doing it today. Today we're going to spray our craziest HyperShift pearl, ZTH HyperShift, over my RS6, which has a Harlequin theme on it right now. We've got dark blues, reds, teals, yellows, all mixed and matched all over the car, and we're going to see how this HyperShift pearl reacts to each color. So here goes the ZTH, and Gabe, remind me, what does this one shift between?
It's pretty crazy. You get a lot of blues, purples, greens, ambers.
It goes all over the map. So the question is, how is this going to react over all the different colors on the car? Well, there is one way to find out. We're using a 10 gram per gallon load to make sure that the base colors play a role in the end result. We are ready to go. Let's do it. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, I never thought we'd have an opportunity to spray a HyperShift over a car that has all different colored panels, but here we are. I guess you never know where we're gonna go with this channel. It was a super fun experiment, and we're gonna take the car outside right now, and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this experiment for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. If you want to change the color of your own emblems, your own wheels, your own car, click right up here. All of our DIY friendly kits are in one place. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this one. I hope you had fun watching it. We'll see you on the next one.